Next, now see this. If value of x is greater than 1 and less than 2, then the value of given equation. Okay. Again, if you observe carefully, square and root automatically get cancelled. Square and root automatically get cancelled. Now you are left with only x minus 1 plus 3 minus x. So again, minus x get cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 means plus 2. Option B. Clear?
सर हा एवढा इझी होता हा वाला.
हो.
सर एक्स के जगह पे भी अगर वैल्यू रखे रहते तो भी वैसे ही आंसर आता है.
हाँ. थोड़ा try to think over every question in aptitude.
बट सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर, जे आन्सर आहे सर ते 2 पेक्षा कमी पाहिजे म्हटलं ना एक्सची व्हॅल्यू. कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय नाही होत ना. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स शुड लाय बिटवीन 1 and 2. तोच मला कन्फ्युजन झाला होता.
So actually we are not getting value of x. X is getting cancelled here. We are getting value of this equation. We are talking about the value of x.
But then we didn't even found out the value.
We are calculating value for this equation, not for x. X की वैल्यू नो डाउट 2 से कम होनी चाहिए. सी क्या किया हमने, x माइनस 1 आया प्लस यहाँ बचा 3 माइनस एक्स. तो लिमिटेशन किसके लिए, x की वैल्यू के लिए, पर x तो कैंसिल ही हो रहा है ना. वैल्यू तो हम इस इक्वेशन की निकाल रहे हैं.
सर ते तो कन्फ्यूज करायला टाकलंय.
नहीं सर वैसा भी नहीं. एक्स के जगह हम 1 भी रखते हैं और 2 भी रखते हैं तो भी आंसर फिर 2 ही आता है.
रखे तो भी
1 रखेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा. हाँ,
और यहाँ पे 0
रख के आता है, that is coincidence. Okay, but method is this. You need to understand how to solve the particular equations. Okay, because this part belongs to algebra actually, and you will see one question based on such concept. Okay, you may see some given different conditions here. Okay, एक क्वेश्चन हर बार आप देखो, old, if you study old paper thoroughly, you will come to know about such type of questions. But इतने easy नहीं रहते. They are little bit complicated. Sometimes you will see some integration differentiations also.
सोनल अगर x का 2 भी डाले तो भाई आंसर तो 1 ही आएगा ना. पहले में तो कैंसिल एक अच्छा 1 डाले तो नहीं आएगा, 2 डाले तो आएगा.
Next.
1 टाकलं तर 0
ओके
होऊन
ठीक
जाईल.
है ठीक है.
See, 2 to 5, there is a difference of 3. Then 5 to 10, difference of 5. Okay, so difference of 3, then difference of 5, then difference of 7, then difference of 6.
9
9. And difference of 9, then we have difference of 6 to
11 13 है,
then 13, then
64 आंसर है.
कितना आना चाहिए था,
65 आना चाहिए था.
it should be the difference of 15. You need here 65, but 64 is given, so wrong number is 64. The minimum value of 2 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is. Okay, so you need to think of just two values. If you put theta is equal to 0, let's say, if you put theta is equal to 0 here, okay, so sin 0 0. Okay, so this term will become 0. If you put 0 here, cos 0 is 1, so 0 का 1 का square 1 into 3, so in that case, okay, you will get answer 3 if you put theta is equal to 0. Okay, if you put theta is equal to 90, let's say, so sin 90, value of sin 90 is 1, Okay, 1 का square 1, 1 multiplied by 2, 2, and cos 90 is 0. So this term becomes 0. So you'll get answer 2 in that case. So now minimum value is asked. Okay, our theta from 0 to in between 90. You can put any value, you will get answer in terms of root 2 or root 3. Okay, and root 2 root 3 are 1.41. Okay, 1.741 means we'll get automatically, and we have 2 and 3 उनके वो मल्टीप्लाई में ऑटोमेटिकली वैल्यू उनसे बढ़ ही जाएगी. ओके, so minimum value should be 2. Clear? Next, if ABC and PQ are similar triangles in which A47, Q83, very basic thing. If triangle ABC is similar, means angle A is similar to PQR. Okay, means A is equal to P, angle A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, or C is equal to R. Okay, because they are similar. So A is 47, Q is actually equal to B because triangles are similar. So if Q is 83, so automatically B is 83. Now you can easily calculate angle C by angle sum property. Okay. So 180 minus addition of 47 plus 83. Yeah. Then we'll get how much?
50.
Option A. Many times you will see 1 mark diagrammatic question. Based on most probably based from they are from triangle. Next, a train running at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? आया ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again, basic formula: speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, now a train is running at a speed is given 60 km per hour. Okay, and time taken to cross the pole is 9 seconds. Okay, so first convert speed, because we have value in kilometer per hour and time is in seconds. Okay, and we need value in meter. Let's say first convert speed is 60 km per hour. Okay, so 60 multiplied by एक फैक्टर बताया था मैंने डायरेक्ट कन्वर्शन
5/18.
5/10. So you get this value in direct meter per second. So now you have, if you calculate this, you will get 50 by 3 meter per second. Now this is your speed. Okay, so if you do speed into time, you will get the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 50 by 3 meter per second. Okay, so 50 by 3 meter per second multiplied by time 9 seconds. Here second get cancelled, you will get answer in meter. So 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 53s are 150. So you get 150 meters. Okay.
सर ते 5/18 काय आहे?
Kilometer per hour to meter per second conversion. What we are doing, kilometer to meter. Okay, means we are multiplying with 1000 kilometer to meter, correct? Okay, then for hour to second, 1 hour means 3600 seconds. Clear? 1 hour means 60 minutes and 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 60 into 60. Okay. So 1000 upon 60 into 60. इसको divide करते हैं तो you will get 5/18. 2 0 get cancelled. Okay. So 2 5s are 2 3s are 6 3s are 18. So you will get 5/18. So instead of doing all this calculation, okay, simply remember 5/18. If you multiply kilometer per hour with 5/18 factor, you will get value in directly meter per second. Simply like we are converting ग्राम पर सीजी इंटू केजी पर मीटर क्यूब, इसमें भी हमको तीन तीन बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पड़ते हैं. बट इफ यू रिमेंबर जस्ट सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1000. Next, if A and B complete a work in 15 days, B alone in 20 days, in how many days can A alone complete the work? So first condition is given that A and B together can complete a piece of work in 15 days. Okay. So just calculate 1 day work of AB. Okay. 1 day AB. Okay. day work of AB कितना हो जाएगा? 1/15. A and B together doing work in 15 days. So 1 day work is nothing but 1/15. Clear? Now B complete work in 20 days. Okay, second condition is given. B alone is doing that work in 20 days. Okay, so again 1 day work of B. 1 day work of B alone. One by 20. Clear? एक दिन का वर्क A प्लस बी का इतना है और सिर्फ एक दिन का वर्क B का इतना है. तो फ्रॉम दिस टू इक्वेशंस यू कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द 1 day work of A. Okay, same 1 day work of A. Okay, so just simply subtract A plus B work, that is 1/15 minus 1/20, 1 day work of B. Okay, we'll get 1 day work of A. Clear? We'll get 1/60 here. This is the 1 day work of A. Okay, so this is the 1 day work. So actual हर चीज में हमने 1 day के लिए क्या किया था? रेसिप्रोकल किया था. So actual work done in how many days? 60 days. Clear? So option A. So 31. This is same from Jan. Okay. Next. See this. This is different. For a well-graded soil sample, value of D30 equal to 0.6 mm, D60 0.02 mm, D10 equal to 9 mm are given. Then the value of coefficient of curvature of soil is. Okay. So actually ये मैंने जानबूझ के डाला, मुझे एक चीज आपको बतानी थी इसमें. First understand what is this D30, D10. D10 is nothing but it means 10% soil particles are fine grained. 10% soil particles fine grain, and rest 90% are coarse grain. Okay, meaning of detail means. Yeah. Then D60, same. Okay, here we are having 60% fine grain samples, sorry, fine grain particles. Okay, and remaining 40% are coarse grain. This is the meaning of D60. Similarly, for D30, 30% are fine grain and remaining 70% are coarse grain. Clear? So these are the different values of soil samples, different soil samples. Okay, values for different soil samples. Now values are given. Then we have only two formulas: the value of coefficient of curvature. Okay. So coefficient of curvature is also given by CC, denoted by CC. That is D30 square divided by D60 multiplied by D10. D60 multiplied by D10. Very important. ठीक है, गेट में you will see म्हणजे ये जो पोर्शन है, you will see in gate question from this section based on hydrogeological conditions. सॉइल और सॉइल के साथ वाटर सैचुरेशन के साथ ही गेट में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ये कंसेप्ट है. बट इन यूपीएससी ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम्स एंड यूपीएससी रिटन एग्जाम्स इस सेक्शन से क्वेश्चंस देखे गए हैं 2-3 बार. नाउ यू कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कर्वेचर. कितना आएगा बताओ. ओके, D30 is given, D60 is given, D10 is given. So simply substitute the value in the given formula and calculate the coefficient of curvature. कितना है?
Sir, 162.
0.0.
क्या निकल रहे हो? दो आंसर आता है, दो.
Yes sir, yes sir. 2 मैंने 0.2
Yes.
10 to the power minus 2 multiply.
2 is correct. सिर्फ स्क्वायर करना, डिवाइड करना और कैलकुलेटर भी है, फिर भी गलत. बहुत नाइंसाफी है. So if you are getting your value more than 4, okay, it means the soil is well graded. Okay, if you are getting your value of CC is more than 4, then the soil is well graded. Okay, less than 4 means poorly graded. For gravels, okay, for gravels only. Okay, and if your value is more than 6 for sand, okay, then it is well graded, and less than 6 poorly graded. Okay, for gravel it is 4 and for sand it is 6. Clear? One more formula is there. Coefficient uniformity, denoted as Cu. The ratio of D60 divided by D10. D60 by D10. Clear? यूपीएससी असिस्टेंट जियोलॉजिस्ट की एग्जाम होती है. ओके, एवरी ईयर हर बार 75 रिक्रूट करते हैं. ओके, बेस्ड ऑन पे स्केल 8, पे बैंड 8. ओके, फॉर यूपीएससी क्लास 1 ऑफिसर पे बैंड 10 is there.
8 LP है.
हाँ, पे बैंड अकॉर्डिंग टू 7th पे कमीशन.
8 LP है ना, 8 lakhs per annum.
Pay band commission is different. Pay band 10 means your basic is 15,600. Okay, according to pay band 10. Okay, this pay band is for class 1 officer, class 1 gazetted officer. 15,600, 15,600, sorry, 15,600. ये बेसिक है. इसका बेसिक मीन्स यू आर हैविंग 90,000 सैलरी. 15,600 बेसिक मीन्स सब पर्क्स ऐड करके, सारे बेनिफिट्स ऐड करके यू विल गेट अप्रोक्सीमेटली 90,000, 89 समथिंग. और पे बैंड 8 मतलब टोटल यू विल गेट 60,000 ग्रॉस. ओके,
त्याची एक्झाम होते कधी मग?
वेळा झाली आतापर्यंत. 75 पोस्ट काढल्या होत्या. त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह एक्झाम क्रॅक करायची आणि इंटरव्ह्यू.
मग आता नेक्स्ट एक्झाम 2022 मध्ये का?
निघायला पाहिजे यावर्षी.
अच्छा,
2 वर्षापासून तर निघाल्या होत्या. तो ये जो असिस्टेंट जियोलॉजिस्ट की वैकेंसीज निकलती है, इसी वजह से क्लास 1 की वैकेंसी कम हो गई. बिकॉज ये जो असिस्टेंट जियोलॉजिस्ट की वैकेंसी है, ये 3 साल बाद ऑटोमेटिकली क्लास 1 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी और पे बैंड 10 में आ जाएगा 3 साल के बाद. बाकी सब प्रोसीजर सेम है, ट्रेनिंग वगैरह ये वो. दिस क्वेश्चन इज सेम. 35 सेम. नेक्स्ट, दिस सेम. ये भी सेम है. सेम है ना? और ये भी सेम है. This is different, but very easy. The number of mirror planes present in 6 mm. क्या रहेगा? What is the key? Key for this 6 mm means it belongs
3
to
to 1.
hexagonal. 3 to 1.
सो त्याची टोटल करायला सांगितलं तुम्ही इथे काहीतरी 3 + 2 + 1 करायचं म्हणून.
की आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. You need to remember the keys. Key for 4 different crystal system. So 6 mm belongs to hexagonal. Key for hexagonal 133. कसं रे, विसरू नको. खूपदा येते क्वेश्चन. नाही तर मी एक व्हिडिओ बनवून टाकलाय. लिहायचा कंटाळा आला किंवा कधी विसरले तर पटकन पाहू शकता. So 133 for hexagonal. So M is in second position. Again M is in third position. So second position we have 3 and in third position we have 3. So 3 plus 3. So total 6 mirror planes. Projections में भी आप इसका यूज कर सकते. You can use this concept in projections as well. Okay. So if projection is given, okay, based on the projection, try to identify the Hermann-Morgan projection. Okay, then from Hermann-Morgan projection you can easily come to know about the crystal system. If you are able to identify the particular crystal system, then you can remember key, and from key you can calculate or verify the mirror planes on the given diagram. तो जिनको प्रोजेक्शन से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है मिरर प्लेन काउंट करने में, वो इसका यूज कर सकते हैं कि जितना आपने कैलकुलेट किया है वो बराबर है कि नहीं, क्रॉस वेरीफाई भी कर सकते। क्लियर? Now, if 3 to 6 is a Miller index of a crystal phase, then the value of x in the corresponding Weiss parameter, okay, Weiss parameter, Miller indices का नहीं पूछा है, Weiss parameter of the same phase, and Miller index is given, okay. So if 3 to 6 is your Miller index, what is Weiss parameter? Reciprocal of Miller.
Reciprocal. 1 by 3, 1 by 3,
1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 6. Clear? Now इसको whole number में we need to convert this in whole number, okay. So we need to multiply with the LCM. So 6 3 2 का LCM 6, okay. LCM is 6, so multiply with 6. So 3 2s are 2 3s are 6 1s are, so we will get 2 3 1, okay. But only value of x, see, x is in first position, x. So first, in first position we have 2, so value of x is 2. ABC is representing axis, okay, direction. So answer is 2. Clear? Then 56, the value of h in the Miller Bravius index. Okay, again थोड़ा नया concept डाला था. This is very important. Okay, if you get such type of question, you need to remember one basic formula, that h plus k plus I is equal to, you will get 0. Clear? This h, k, I, these are general symbols, okay, they are not defined for any position, okay. So कोई भी वैल्यू h हो सकती है, you can expect any value of k, you can expect any value of I, okay. So out of this 4 you can expect this 3 values, let's say first 3 values I am considering, okay, leave this 0. So well, consider value of h is -4, okay. No, you need to calculate h, na? Okay, so just consider this value of k is -4, okay, value of I is 1, okay, and h is given is equal to 0, okay. So -4 plus 1 will get -3, okay, -3. If you shift this -3 to the right hand side, we'll get h is equal to 3. और सिंपली ऐसा भी याद रख सकते हो, h is equal to -k plus I. You can remember this formula like this. Okay? And this formula is for hexagonal crystal system. 4 एक्सिस आपको दिख रही है. Retardation of uniaxial negative mineral of thickness 0.03 mm is 5160 in its principal section of indicatrix. If the refractive index corresponding to E ray is given, the value of refractive index correct up to 3 decimal places of the O ray is. So RI for E ray is given. Okay, what is your Birefringence, difference between O ray and E ray. Okay, but see here, uniaxial negative mineral means condition for uniaxial negative that omega is greater than epsilon. Okay, now thickness is given and retardation is given. So from thickness and retardation you can calculate birefringence. Okay, so birefringence is equal to, you'll get retardation 5160, okay, is given in nanometer. Okay, observe carefully, nanometer. So 10 to the power 9, nanometer means 10 to the power 9 meter, minus 9, sorry, 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, divided by thickness. Thickness is given in millimeter. Okay, so 0.03 millimeter means 10 to the power minus 3 meter. 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So now both the units are in meter. Okay, so meter get cancelled. You will get dimensionless quantity. This is retardation. Now calculate this. Okay, minus 3 यहाँ से काट लो. You will get minus 6 here. Okay, then write 5160 in the numerator. Okay, in the denominator you have 0.03 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. Okay, जो -6 ऊपर था मैंने नीचे ला लिया. Okay, shift -6 to the denominator. So this is now positive. You have two decimal. Okay, 0.03. So यहाँ से 2 10 निकाल लो और इसको पॉजिटिव बना सकते. Okay, you will get 5160. Okay, 2 zeros and this decimal चला जाएगा. Now you have 4 zeros left. So 3 0 0 0 and 0. You can write like this. Okay, 1 0 again get cancelled. So 516 divided by 3000. You will get 0.172. This is your value of birefringence. Now you know birefringence, let's say B, is the mod of, okay, Ri of O ray and E ray. Okay, let's say Ri of E ray is given. Okay, I am assuming X is a Ri of O ray, ordinary ray, and Ri of E ray is given 1.486. Clear? And birefringence is, we have just calculated, equal to 0.172. Now calculate this. You will get X is equal to,
हाच फॉर्म्युला ना बायरेफरन्स काढायचा.
0.172. Okay, plus 1.486. Okay, it will come around 1.658. 3 decimal places. Birefringence is difference between two Ri. Okay.
सर एकदा फर्स्ट स्टेप रिपीट करा ना.
See, we have one basic formula. Birefringence is equal to retardation divided by thickness. हा वापरला मी. ठीक है. Retardation is given 5160 nanometer. Okay, तो आई एम कन्वर्टिंग नैनोमीटर टू मीटर, 10⁻⁻9 से मैंने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. देन योर थिकनेस इज इन मिलीमीटर. ओके, सो 0.03 मिलीमीटर मीन्स 10⁻³ मीटर. सो मैंने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. देन -3 गेट कैंसल. सो इन न्यूमरेटर यू हैव नाउ -6. -6 को मैं नीचे लेके आ गया तो प्लस हो गया वो. ओके, 10⁻6
ओके सर, ओके.
है ना. फिर 2 जीरो यहाँ डेसिमल के साथ चले गए, बचे 4 मैंने इधर लिख दिए 3 के ऊपर. क्लिक.
ओके सर.
माझा फायनल आन्सर किती आला? आपण 1.486 मायनस 0.712 केला का?
प्लस झालं ना ते
मायनस
1.65.
मॉड मध्ये म्हणून प्लस झाला.
नाही रे, हे लेफ्ट हँड साइडला आहे ना, त्याला तू राईट हँड साइडला पाठवशील तर पॉझिटिव्ह नाही.
मॉड का बरं केलं? कारण की व्हॅल्यू पॉझिटिव्ह पाहिजे म्हणून. नेगेटिव्ह नाही राहू शकत.
बाय रेफरेंस पॉजिटिव रहेगा हमेशा, चाहे आप ओ माइनस ई रे करो या ई रे माइनस ओ रे करो. Okay. Next, this is conceptual question and very important. The general formula of an amphibole mineral, okay, is given where A, B, C and T are cationic site with different coordination. Okay, numbers as stated below: A12, B628, C6, T4. The amount of octahedral Al in an amphibole of composition Na0.6, Ca2, Mg 3.8, Al3. So. See now, tetrahedral. T stands for tetrahedral site. Okay. Tetra. Okay. Yeah. You can expect maximum 8 coordination number for tetrahedral site. Clear? Clear for tetrahedral. Then we have one more site. Octahedral. Just 1 second. See, in the tetrahedral side here 8 is written. Okay, see here in the formula. Clear? That is the reason I am writing 8 here. Clear? Then for octahedral site, see, this is octahedral site C. In the given formula 5 is written. Okay, so I am writing 5 for octahedral site. Clear? This is actually general formula. Conditions are given. Now see the composition given here. Okay, so you know which cation goes to tetrahedral site? Silica. Okay, silica goes to tetrahedral site. So here we are having 8 in the tetrahedral. मतलब according to general formula we should means 8 वहां पे जाने चाहिए थे, 8 एटम होने चाहिए थे. ओके, but in actual composition we are having SI 6.2 only. Okay, so 6.2 minus, so बचा कितना कम हो गया टेट्राहेड्रल AL, सॉरी टेट्राहेड्रल SI 8 minus 6.2. ओके, कितना आएगा 8 minus 6.2? 1.8. करेक्ट. This 1.8 is tetrahedral amount of silica. Clear? But naturally formula तो balance रहेगा. Okay, your formula should be balanced. तो this 1.8 कहीं और चला गया है, because in standard formula of amphibole you will require T8. Okay, but you are getting only SI 6.2. तो 1.8 कहाँ गया? तो ये चला जाएगा ऑक्टाहेड्रल में. ओके, क्योंकि वहीं पे रिप्लेसमेंट होता है. एंड यू नो इन octahedral what we have. Okay, for octahedral position we have AL goes to octahedral site. Clear? AL goes to octahedral site. Okay, and we are having 3 here. ठीक है. अब इस ये जो 3 है which are present in octahedral site actually, उसमें जो 1.8 है वो तो टेट्राहेड्रल SI के कारण आ गया, जो उधर कम पड़ गया वहाँ पे इसने कंपेंसेट कर लिया. तो इसमें से हमने क्या कर दिया, ये जो टेट्राहेड्रल अमाउंट है ये ऑक्टाहेड्रल अमाउंट में से माइनस कर दें. You need to subtract this tetrahedral amount 1.8 from the actual octahedral amount given. If you subtract this 1.8, you will get 1.2. This is your actual octahedral amount. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन में यही पूछा है, the amount of octahedral AL in an amphibole of composition given. Okay, so in the given composition actually we are observing AL3. Okay, AL हमेशा ऑक्टाहेड्रल साइट में जाता है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमको 3 दिख रहा है, बट ऑल्सो यू विल सी SI 6.2 जो कि टेट्राहेड्रल साइट का पोजीशन, SI गोज टू टेट्राहेड्रल साइट हियर. ओके, सो वहाँ पे होना तो 8 चाहिए था पर है 6.2. तो जो डिफिशियंसी मिली है that will deficiency of 1.8 is compensated by octahedral AL. ओके, सो जो 1.8 अमाउंट जो है वो टेट्राहेड्रल का था जो इसमें चला गया, तो हमने उस टेट्राहेड्रल अमाउंट को इसमें से माइनस कर दिया, तो हमको जो मिला नाउ इट इज एक्चुअल octahedral AL present in the given formula. Clear? So answer is 1.2. Clear? Any doubt?
सर ये यहाँ पे दिया है A equal to 12, B equal to 6, T equal to 4, तो सर उसका यूज नहीं करना है.
वो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर दिए है.
कंफ्यूजन मिलेगा.
हाँ सर, ये
कंफ्यूजन के लिए दिए क्या वो?
बोल सकते हैं, उन्होंने कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर की जरूरत ही नहीं है, दे के रखे हैं जस्ट ऐसे ही. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगना चाहिए अगर. क्लियर? An eclogite consists of garnet 60% and omphacite 40%, where the mineral abundances are in mole percentage. X mg upon mg plus Fe dipositive of garnet and omphacite is given. The x mg of eclogite is, okay, x mg is asked. In your actual eclogite, okay, we have 60% garnet. So 60% garnet means 60 upon 100 means 0.60, correct? Clear? And mg number is for garnet is 0.50. Clear? Plus omphacite is 40% means 0.40 multiplied by mg number for omphasite is 0.75. Clear? If you add this, you'll get 0.60. This is your mg number. Finish. xmg. Okay. 10 मिनट परसेंटेज वगैरह में कहीं कुछ पूछा नहीं है. ओके. जो mg नंबर है वो ऑलरेडी मोल परसेंटेज में है और xmg पूछा है. ठीक है. तो गलती से आप यहाँ हो सकता है सम पीपल विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100 एंड आंसर 60 लिख देंगे. So this is the reason you need to read carefully. Okay. Clear? Well, next 60. Husbagite contains pure forsterite and pure enstatite. In a molecular ratio 60:40, the mole percentage of MgO in rock is. Now here mole percentage is asked. So now forsterite. Okay. टीवी पता है क्या? Forsterite. Okay. Forsterite. What is the formula for forsterite? Mg2 SiO4. Okay. इसको ब्रेक करो, क्या मिलेगा? 2 mg. Mg2 means we can write twice MgO. Oxide form में ब्रेक कर दो. Twice MgO and 1 SiO2. Okay. So if you calculate mole percentage here from this given data, okay, we have 2 mg. Okay, here we have 2 MgO and 1 silica means total 3 oxides. Okay, उसमें से mg कितने हैं? 2 means 2 out of 3. I am writing 2 out of 3 forsterite. Okay, now see the proportion of forsterite is given 60. Clear? 60% है ना. मोलिकुलर रेशियो इज 60:40%. क्लियर? और आंसर किस में पूछा है? मोल परसेंटेज में. इसलिए मैं इसको क्या कंसिडर कर रहा हूँ? 60% कंसिडर कर रहा हूँ. आई एम कंसिडरिंग दिस इज 60% एंड 40% proportion. Okay, so we need to calculate the percentage of MgO. So that is the reason I am considering MgO in the numerator. So 2 MgO and 1 silica means total 3 oxides, from which 2 are MgO. So 2 by 3 multiplied by 60% means 60/100. Because for forsterite we have 60% proportion. Forsterite and pure enstatite. 60 for forsterite and for pure enstatite 40%. So if you calculate this, you'll get 0.40. Clear? Now similarly for pure enstatite. Formula for enstatite: Mg2 Si2O4. Mg2 Si.
सर Si2O6 सील ना एंसेटाइट है. MgSi2O6 सील फॉर्मूला.
Just 1 second. MgSiO3 है ना?
यस सर, तो SiO4 का O6 हो जाएगा.
Mg2 ऐसा
लिख consider just this basic one. यहाँ double करके जबरदस्ती. Okay, this is MgSiO3. Okay, so if you break this, you will get MgO. Okay, and SiO2. Clear? Clear? So one atom of MgO, no, sorry, one oxide MgO and one oxide SiO2. Okay, means out of two, we have one MgO. You can write 1/2. Okay, 1/2 multiplied by 40% proportion. Okay, so 40 upon 100. Okay, you will get 0.20 after solving this. Okay, now total more proportion of MgO हमने इंडिविजुअल निकाल लिया, तो टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? सिंपल एडिशन 0.40 plus 0.20 get 0.60. Okay, now multiply with 100. Okay, equal to 60%. Okay, clear?
तर मग यांची टोटल करावं लागेल ना.
केली ना खाली 0.40 plus 0.20 0.60 मिली mole proportion of MgO in percentage, so multiplied by 100, 60%. Clear?